beans?
Beans!
Oh, God. Alright. Blah, 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 blah. You are a police officer. You work the night shift and patrol the roads. And one night, the unknown exceeded the speed and you started You're an idiot. And you started chasing him. I can't freaking read that. Crashed into a...
He's chasing him.
You started chasing him. The intruder crashed into and disappeared into an abandoned house nearby. Okay. Do not no-clip if you get stuck. Do not break the map with it. For a better experience, play at night. Oh my god. If you find a bug on the map, comment, tell me. Some doors can be unlocked from the other side. You can open some cabinets and drawers. Keys are important items. Keys and other important items begin to light up. Okay, let's go. Fun time.
Oh!
I said fun time right when it... Look, it's... I think he might be wanted. Ooh.
Will we be able to get Dumpster Baby back?
Oh my god. Look at a street light. I'm blind now.
Oh my god, that's the sun.
Uh-oh. Someone being
Wow.
naughty. Someone's being naughty. Chasing down by the police.
Whoa, a car.
Whoa, a car.
We're chasing him, Matthew.
On the wrong side of the road.
You don't know what country we were in.
Oh yeah, you're right, you're right.
Run away 911.
Ooh, I see your name. You are police.
Get back in the car.
No.
What am I?
Do you hear that?
Oh, I got it.
Oh, the
Let's
lag.
go check on him. He
Hello?
ran into the forest. Let's move.
Why is it lagging all of a sudden?
He stole my dumpster, baby.
Kill him.
We gotta kill him. Dumpster baby, I'm coming for you.
Looks like that door's locked. I believe we go this way.
No, I leave you going here.
Where? You see anything?
Ah!
Oh my god. You just have a random
This
piece
way.
of a chair. Look, the trail. There's a trail. It goes this way.
No, it doesn't. I found this trail.
You just denied and said you found it. For some reason, I can't see the doors, which is annoying. By the way, I'm stuck behind a door, I think.
I see them. Just follow me.
Right. Thank you.
He wasn't under there.
Watch out for the flying cup!
Silverware! This is expensive. Oof, he had time to barricade.
Yeah. Look, a phone. And a can.
Where are our guns?
I have a can.
The fighter was probably
Orange
packing up to
soda.
leave.
Orange soda.
I'm a cop. I can tell this. You see the suitcase?
Yeah?
The father was leaving at them.
Okay. Where did you go?
Shh.
We gotta stick together.
My dumpster baby used to have these on him.
Stupid timer.
No.
This way. Come on. I can't see the table either for some reason.
There's something in there. Let's go. Run!
What? He barricaded there. We gotta go this way.
Which way? Where are you?
I went in this room.
I found this room.
Oh my god. A hole.
A hole. This Oh, they have a lots of bugs. Their
Oh.
family must be rich.
Oh, those boards scared me. Those are some scary boards. If I do say so myself. I just saw.
This one's really dark.
Yeah,
I like it.
me too. What's in there?
Gun crazy.
Oh, okay.
This leads me to think they have guns.
This leads me to believe that they are insane because guns are
You have your
bad.
light on? Press F.
Yeah, I know.
That's my bird in the background.
Look, stuff. You can open these.
No one's gonna ever watch this.
Yeah, there's probably.
Oh my god, this is such a cool physics. Look for guns.
I found a cup. Mine.
You want some drink?
This is my cup. There's a dead person over
they left.
there.
Oh! That was the guy we're chasing.
Who killed him? We gotta congratulate him. This
Yeah,
way.
let's go.
This way.
It's probably Obama. My
Look,
dumpster
look,
baby
another
probably
hole.
killed him. Actually,
Another hole. Obama.
I'm escaping.
Oh yeah.
We could still have to find my dumpster baby.
Yeah, I know. He might be over this way.
My dumpster baby killed another person.
Oh no. That prom night dumpster baby is evil.
He's not evil. He's misunderstood. A generator. Turn it on.
Nothing happened.
This house is huge.
What the? Okay, so for some reason I can't see any doors, and
This way. We already went this way.
yeah, I know.
Let's go this way.
Boogaloo, boogaloo. I need help.
My boots are stomping everywhere.
I know, we're like stomping every time we. Was that you?
If there's a murderous psycho, half like the dumpster baby,
I
he's
don't
gonna
know.
find us easily.
Dumpster baby's scary.
Need something to get across this hall.
Get across that hole.
Why did you
Oh crap.
make that sound?
I was clearing my throat. What's in here? Is there a dumpster baby in here?
We gotta find the fireplace.
There's like a
The button on it.
There's Jesus in there. We gotta save Jesus.
You now have a moment. Dumpster baby's probably in there. I thought I saw something through the window.
Oh no, wait. Isn't the fireplace near the dead guy?
Sure.
Sure. Okay.
You scared me.
What the
Fireplace.
fireplace?
I get to
Where's
press the button.
Jesus?
Hello.
I am a
Right
pickle.
there.
I don't see
I
Jesus.
see the button.
You see Jesus?
We
Where?
need to put something in it.
Oh my god. Here, I got a cup. That didn't work.
We gotta find a plus button.
Oh,
It won't
there's
budge.
a mattress thing blocking it. I could see right through the door. Ah! Look at dead guy. 2 dead guys. Who is it? Don't be rude, answer it.
What?
Look! Dumpster baby shoes! Oh no!
That's where
Right here!
they're mine. Give it.
No, I'm taking the other one.
I'm gonna kill you.
No, it's mine. It's mine.
Take the axe. We should just break the door to open and stuff.
Yeah, we just break right through it. Like, really.
Which way should we go? We never went this way.
I have no...
Or did we? We did.
Oh, we did, yeah. I need something to cross this hole.
Use yourself.
Okay.
Where are you?
I'm coming.
I found the downstairs! Dumpster baby must use this route.
Yeah. This is probably
Dumpster
where he
baby?
keeps all of his dumpster friends.
Oh God.
It's a lot more quiet down here.
It's Vladimir Putin!
Where? Where?
His statue!
It's a... I own Russia!
No! You stole Vladimir Putin from me! Are you okay, Vladimir, my president? He goes first. He's the president. He gets the first.
The door won't
Vladimir
budge.
Putin.
Wait, what? You killed him!
Oh! Somebody killed him while we were looking at that area.
Dude, you killed Vladimir Putin.
He's dead. Where did he go? I just saw it. I got a package for you.
Me too.
How do you fill links?
Whoa. Cup throw. I don't know why I like throwing cups because they break.
Nothing down here.
Yeah, I know.
Disappointment.
I know. Very. What's this way? 1 of 4. What did I do?
I picked up something.
You always
I
say you
didn't.
picked up. You did it.
I actually did do it.
Where are you?
I got a chair.
Where are you? Dude, you just walked right by.
It's fake.
Other heat.
Look at this.
What? I hate you. This way, come on.
We have time. You're gonna run out of time.
I know. And I need to post
Yeah.
a video as well, and that takes a little while. There's a guy! There's a guy over there! There's a guy!
What are you talking about?
What? Did you not just see him?
I did. Just don't acknowledge him.
Oh yeah, he doesn't
And he won't-
exist. Alright, so I guess that's it for part 1.
Part 1? You're leaving me here to die.
Okay. I'm gonna save now. Save the map as it is here. Or no, I tried to do that last time and it didn't work, so I guess this is it. Goodbye.
Don't kill me.